Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Fiji Fabric Visitor Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest with bracket attached, 3-piece cantilever base, a pair of arms which are marked left and right on the packaging, 4 60mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 1 Allen key, 2 14mm bolts, 4 30mm bolts, 4 22mm bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. Take the 3 parts of the cantilever base and assemble like this, making sure the 4 lugs are pointing inwards. Insert the 2 14mm countersunk bolts and tighten them up. Lay the backrest down and place the seat pad on top, and attach the arms using the 4 60mm bolts, taking note of the left and right labels that were on the arms packaging. It's important not to fully tighten these bolts at this stage. Unfold the chair and line up the bracket at the base of the backrest with the holes at the back of the seat. Use the 4 30mm bolts to secure. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Line up the cantilever base with the holes on the underside of the seat pad and secure with the 4 22mm bolts. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. You can now tighten all loose bolts. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Fiji leather-faced visitor chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.